I've been able to move my face from this to what you're currently seeing now. I cannot tell you guys the amount of compliments I have been getting. So if I were to lighten up my face, get rid of sunburn, dark spot discoloration, and unify my face within 21 days, these are the things I'm going to do. Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. How is everyone doing? If this is your first time, hi. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to this one. If I were to lighten up my face within 21 days, I want to lighten up, I want to see like visible results. Remember, we are dealing with sunburn, dark spots, discolorations, and uneven skin tone. What I'm going to start doing first of all is get a cleanser for my face, a very mild and hydrating cleanser. I mean hydrating cleanser, not a whitening cleanser, not a toning cleanser, or not a brightening cleanser. I'm going to get a hydrating cleanser. So because I'm on a budget, I'm going to settle for the face fat ceramide hydrating cleanser, because yes, this is meant for all skin type and will do the job. Obviously, let me show you. I'm going to get a cleanser like this. This is the face fat ceramide hydrating cleanser. It is gentle enough and has both hyaluronic acid as well as 5 ceramide. This is definitely going to work well. Now the essence of this is just to cleanse my face. Remember, just to cleanse my face and calm irritation. Remember, my face is already irritated due to the sun exposure and all of those things. So I wouldn't want to have something that would give me bad reaction or that is too hot for my skin. So obviously I'm going to settle for this, because remember, we do not have money to go for the Cetaphil, CeraVe and all of that. So obviously this is going to be a go-to for me. Okay, the next thing I'm going to be doing for my face, because I want to have that hydrating effect and also get rid of sunburn, dark spots, as well as lightening my overall skin complexion or my face, right? Next thing I'm going to do is get a very good essence. Now my essence is going to be limited to nighttime usage. So my essence, because I'm on a budget, I'm going to go for this year essence. Now this is their snail mucin essence 96 snail essence. Yeah, this is from this year and it's selling for around 7,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. Prices will always vary. Now that people are rushing, it is skyrocketing, the price is going up. So obviously I'm going to settle for something like this for my face. For daytime, okay, what I'm going to be doing is get a vitamin C serum. I understand that a whole lot of people will argue with me about this particular vitamin C serum, but I do not care. Remember, it is my skin care routine, right? I want a very good result and I don't have money to settle for an expensive vitamin C serum. I either go for Dr. Rachel vitamin C serum or the Esteline vitamin C and turmeric serum. That would do the job. But because I want something that will last me for these 21 days, obviously I'm going to settle for Dr. Rachel, because this is way bigger than the Esteline vitamin C serum. I'm going to be using this during the day. This is going to serve as an antioxidant and a brightening agency for my dark spots, and also oxidize my face and protecting it from sun damage and all. This is going to be my go-to for daytime. Now again, for daytime, we're going to be settling for the Dacia Snail Essence multi-action cream. This is selling for 9,000, 10,000, depending on where you're getting it from, and I'm going to be settling for this just to help hydrate my face. Remember, I have three things in mind: calm irritation, hydration, protection, and later on, use actives on my face. So remember, I don't even have any active yet. So yes, I'm going to be going for this for daytime. So after cleansing my face, I go in with my vitamin C serum. Afterwards, I'll definitely go in with my multi-action cream from this year. The next thing I'm going to be doing for daytime is obviously protection, and for protection I'm going to be going for like a very good mineral sunscreen. I'm going to be displaying some here on the screen, or better still, you're really on a budget, you can go for the bio sunscreen. I don't know if that's the right pronunciation. This is a water-based sunscreen and it is very good, doesn't leave white cast. It is superb for daytime use. It's going to protect you and give you that moisture, like it's going to make your skin mole mole. For nighttime, we are working with actives for nighttime. Because we are working with active, we still want our skin or our face to be very hydrated. We are going to go for essence. Apply this essence on my face. I would apply this essence on my face, let it sit for a minute or two, then go in with my always bright face cream. Yeah, I'll go in with my always bright face cream. So this routine is going to continue for like 8 days. Yeah, it's going to continue for like 8 days. Then before I introduce my Bismuth 3 days for nighttime usage. Remember, I'm dealing with sunburn, so obviously this is going to help with the sunburn. So after 8 days of this consistent skincare routine, what I'm going to introduce next is this particular small but mighty This is selling for 10,000 naira. In case you want, just send me a DM. This is very small, but it can last you for a long time because you don't want to make it your permanent face cream. So I'm going to be introducing this. How I'm going to be using this is only at night time and only on the areas that needs or requires attention, where I have the sunburn. Yes, remember I have calm irritation, I have hydrated my skin, so I would need actives to work well for my skin. For night time, this Always Bright face cream has whitening agencies that helps to remove burn. It can pass as an everyday use lightening face cream. Active ingredient in this particular face cream is glutathione, moringa, egg yolk. It has vitamins, it has almond, honey, and sunscreen. So obviously, I'm going to limit it to nighttime usage because it's effective. We are working with a 21 days time frame, so obviously you need an active lightening face cream in your skincare routine at night time. This is very effective. See, this face cream is effective. You're on a budget, this one should be your go-to. It's are selling around 7 8,000. Again, prices will vary based on where you're getting it from. Okay, so this would go for my nighttime usage for after 8 days, because if you go ahead to start using this immediately you discover that you have sunburn, it might not go permanently. Because you want to clear it permanently, you have to fix your skin barrier, you have to calm irritation, and you have to retain moisture on your face in order to have a lasting result. You see, this particular this year multi-action cream, it has beautiful ingredients. It contains 92% snail serration filters, and it helps provide nutrient moisture to the skin, promote cells regeneration, enhance elasticity, firm the skin, and it has beautiful ingredients basically. So it is what I'm going to definitely settle for my daytime moisturizer, because you want your face to bang. Within 21 days, I'm telling you that my face is going to be so different. The result is going to be very visible, and obviously people are definitely going to start complimenting me. The only two products that are not here, you can tell that it's toner and exfoliant. Is either you chose a toner or an exfoliant for your face. I would advise you settle for like chemical exfoliant, azelaic acid, tretinoin, all of those. You can use that once in a week to introduce it. Of course, you know the concentration to start with, right? Yes. The 0.25, yes, you start with that because that's the mildest of it, so you want to start with that. You can have a toner. Toners can be necessary if necessary or if need be. Okay, you can have a toner, and for this reason have either a brightening toner or a hydrating toner. We're doing more of repair and calming irritation, because again, if your irritations are calm, repair your skin barrier, so lightening up your face would not be the problem at all. If you can be able to protect your skin from the harmful UV ray of the sun, like, your face is definitely going to lighten up in less than no time. Yeah, that is about that. That is what I'm going to definitely do to have my face pop and have people complimenting my face. Okay, so yeah, I've been able to repair my face, move my face from this to what you're currently seeing. I cannot tell you guys the amount of compliments I have been getting recently. And the funniest part is the people who are complimenting me are people who knew how my skin was. And the biggest secret for me is my mindset, consistency, and choosing the right product for my skin. It was just, after repairing my skin barrier, I try to repair my skin barrier, moisturize often, protecting my skin from further damage. After doing that for a week or even more, what I started doing was I started using my actives, and you guys, this is the result, and my face is going to get better. For those of you who have been lashing me down the comment section, your face is like that, your face is like this, just know that a journey of 1,000 miles begin with a step. The fact that I talk about skincare products does not rule out the fact that I also face these things. So if I don't face them, how would I have the knowledge or an idea of what to talk to you guys about? So I hope you find this video helpful. Is my face getting better? Is my skin getting better? I have a few breakouts here, but that's notwithstanding, because as you can see, my face, it's just I'm not using a very, very good camera. My face is better and I'm happy. So if you're on a journey, please, you have to be consistent. You have to change that mindset. You have to stop looking at the mirror after 4 days. Some of you, when you are recommended products, you look at your face every morning you wake up. You want to look at your face in the mirror. As if I'm not seeing results, that's not how it works. So if you're recommended product, by all means necessary, stick to it, and unless it's giving you a vast reaction, then you can stop. Okay, I hope you find this video helpful though, because my baby is disturbing me and this is very chaotic, so I have to end it right here. I hope I'll see you guys in my next one pretty soon. Thank you guys for watching. If you watch up until this point, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. Your video sessions are very much welcome. I sell skincare product, I run consultation, so any of the services you want or you need, please hit me up with the number on your screen. So I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.